So what's happening, what's going on? The Erica Jones. I don't know, I'm gonna sit and stand throughout this video. I just want to give a review on these new Melody Ehsani Jordans that just came out last week. I've been a fan and I've been wanting to get some, but for some reason I just haven't been able to. So I put something in my story and I said I tried. And so I got a DM and they sent me an invoice. So here we are. So my first time, I mean, the box is super dope. And I used to be a sneakerhead, like in high school. Well, I used to be a Jordan fan, let's put it like that. So these are cool. First time opening them, it says, if you truly knew what you had was rare, you would never waste it. Julia Burns, Walker. Because if we only knew how rare we were, there's only one of us. Not only one. Okay, there's a card in here as well. Women's Air Jordan, 1998 Jordan brand took inspiration from not only the greatest basketball player in the world, but also the undeniable skill, style, and spirit of the Jumpman women's community to create its first women's Air Jordan silhouette. Inspired by a community that was ready to claim its professional spot on the court, the silhouette was designed for the women who were owning and growing the game across the world. From the dimpled leather of the Air Jordan, let's see, 13, that's it, to the herringbone traction, the shoe was designed to do what MJ did, to fly. 2 decades later, the women's Air Jordan returns to inspire a new generation of women to claim their spot and own the game. So, that's what this is. Y'all, my hair is a mess. So if you see dreads sticking out here and there, just don't even pay any attention. Coronavirus has us all looking whack right now. She has her name on the inside. Inner space, the little frontier. Let's see what's inside. Whoa. Put the box over here. Wow. Look at this sneaker. You have the piping, which I think is a reflector. So it reflects in the dark. The quilting here. The red bottom with the purple underneath. You have the cherry sitting there. Wow. This is a do shoe. Now let's see if I can wear this shoe because I ordered a smaller size than I normally wear. And I don't know. Make it. Let's see how it fits. Of course, I can show y'all. Try it on and see. Oh yeah, I'm so happy that I got this. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to let y'all see. I'm gonna put both of them. And see, I'm probably gonna put these strings in them because, let's see, okay. Step back, y'all see? Dope. The shoe seems comfortable. I have lots of space in it. I'm so happy that I went down a size because when I was asking the lady through email, I was like, does the shoe run big? She was like, well, it's supposed to run true to size, but it is a little bulkier than the normal shoe or the normal Jordan. So I was like, well, I probably need to go down a size, and that's what I did, and fits perfectly. It's a comfortable shoe, it's a cute shoe. That's all I can say. This wasn't gonna be a long review. Again, there's these strings. I'll take them off so you guys can see both of them. Dope shoe. So happy I got them. Something good came out of the coronavirus. Until next time, y'all stay safe, be blessed, practice social distancing. Do not be in large crowds. It just makes no sense. We're trying to get past this. It's a pandemic already, but y'all, if we follow the guidelines of what our mayors and governors are telling us, and the president, I hate that I'm even saying that, but let's not spread this any more than it has to spread, please. So y'all be safe. Until next time, always love yourself before anyone else. Period. Until next time.